Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to learn the general knowledge about English. We learn the specific words used instead of saying very. So let's start our topic. Very simple, basic, very skinny, skeletal, very smooth, sleek, very sorry, apologetic, very special, exceptional, very tasty, delicious, very tired, exhausted, very long, extensive, very loose, slack, very eager, keen, very fast, quick, very lovely, adorable, very easy, effortless, very angry, furious, very beautiful, gorgeous, very big, massive, very poor, destitute, very boring, dull, very funny, hilarious, very slow, sluggish, very clear, obvious, very confused, perplexed, very noisy, deafening, very clean, spotless, very short, brief, very difficult, arduous, very dry, arid, very quick, rapid, very bad, awful, very smart, intelligent, very sad, sorrowful, very often, frequently, very old, ancient, very perfect, flawless, very shiny, gleaming,